Today's video is sponsored by WD-40. Slippery when wet. George, come back here now.
How many motherfuckers does it take to push some tail? Come on.
Well, I'm doing lights. I'm doing lights. George is just expecting my light job. Yeah, you would expect my rear. So welcome to Fatboy's garage. Look at the chaos. This customer called us. He's losing horsepower on the freeway at 44 kilometers.
What's up?
We found out his blinker fluid was low. We fixed it. Now he's blinking at full pace capacity.
How many pendejos does it take to put up a set of fishtails?
Who's the pendejo that got a rubber hammer to put a pipe on?
Yeah.
You? What we gonna bang it in?
Hey, you don't use a rubber hammer. Use this a lowrider lead hammer.
That's for your dented ass wheel.
Roll those fucking covers and
Paint them black. There's too many sheaves, not enough brake.
oh yeah. There's a big 40 inside.
Hey, you putting more lights on this guy's bike? He wants to be a Christmas tree, dog.
Hey, don't be alarmed when you take off. You smoke it. Come on, dog.
Here,
Yeah, let's go, dog.
This one I can
Oh, it's our charger.
Oh, you got this screws right through it.
I think that brand. Whoa, 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 whoa! Ow, fuck! Holy shit, hold on.
Watch your head.
Phew! I seriously have it. Here, watch out. Excuse me. Hey, para mientras.